Shake a paw. Oh, good boy. Shake the other one. No, the other one. With so much changing around us, our home's not just where we live anymore. It's also where we work and work out. If you're like me, you miss being at the gym. But being at home gives us more flexibility to get exercise in. Today, we're going to show you permanent, flexible, and grab-and-go setups that fit your lifestyle and keep you organized. I'm Kathy, and this is Swede Space. Having outdoor gear visible and easily accessible by the door can really inspire us to go outside and get moving, which is so important for our daily routines. Organizing your outdoor gear in easy and grab-and-go ways, whether it's at your front or back door, keeps fitness top of mind. And just between you and me, it's a good reminder to take my dogs for a walk. They heard that. So don't just tuck away your outdoor gear. Maximize all the space you have. Plus, use open shelving to celebrate what you love and showcase the things that make you happy. Finding a dedicated space for larger workout equipment, like treadmills and bikes, can be a challenge. So we want a solution to integrate them by making them accessible, but not an eyesore. And you know what? Sometimes the solution is as simple as rearranging your furniture and drawing a curtain. I even got a good stretch doing that. You can also use vertical storage to keep equipment off the floor, creating more space for your workout. Not everyone has dedicated space for exercise in their home. Flexible solutions are key to working out where and when you want. When you're dealing with small spaces, finding a spot to store your gear can be a challenge. That's why it's important to take advantage of those unused spaces, like the back of the door or under the bed. Solutions that make it easy to store all your stuff while keeping everything super accessible. Forget about drilling holes. Hanging storage makes it easy to store your workout essentials while keeping your space clutter-free. With underbed storage, you can use inserts and portable baskets to keep things organized so your workout gear is always within reach. Now we have no excuses. Whether you like to stay indoors or take your fitness routine outside, solutions that fit within your space and complement the aesthetic of your home are totally achievable. We'd love to see how you've made your home more fitness-friendly. Use hashtag IKEA Inspo to let us know. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Kathy, and this is Swede Space.